Welcome back, team. I'm Juliette and I'm here to train you every day so you can get in shape quickly. We all know that the huge part of our health and fitness success is our diet. So I'm so excited today to introduce you to the most transformational experience you can have with my new Transform Fitness and Nutrition solution. All you have to do is to follow your custom meal plan and of course keep working out with me every day. The access is simple, quick, and convenient through the personal web portal or Transform mobile app. And guys, Transform mobile app is super user-friendly, so take a look.
You will receive your login information on your emailed receipt to log into the Transform mobile app. The summary screen will provide nutritional information regarding your intake goals, macronutrients, as well as a goal summary with a menu across the bottom to access different features, including goals, logging meals, recommended meal plans, and video exercises. The My Meal screen allows you to access a recommended meal plan where you will have access to foods that are recommended for purchase online with a convenient link to access the store. You also have the opportunity to personalize your meal plan by doing a food exchange for similar foods within a food group. The system will automatically adjust the serving size to keep your calories within balance. So all the thinking is done for you. You also have the ability to quickly send a recommended meal to the log, so you don't have to spend time doing manual entry. As you add these foods to the My Log screen, you can also see the remaining calories and macronutrients. Don't forget, you can save that meal as a favorite for easy recall for the next logging task for another mealtime on another day. Searching provides a couple options, including favorite foods as well as favorite meals, to allow simple logging access. The My Meal screen of recommended meal plans also provides a convenient grocery list with an itemized food grouping by food group categories. When logging, you will also have the access to a barcode scanner, and you can search the database of over 30 to 40,000 different food selections. Make your selection from your search, adjust the quantity needed in the serving size, and then touch the menu to access the Save to Log feature. You can also save foods that you use on a regular basis as a food favorite. The My Moves Video Exercise Planner allows you to see a calendar list as long as a list view and access to the Transform video collection of different exercises and libraries. To view a video, touch on the exercise shown, read the description, and touch the play button to access the video segment of the exercise module. You can also keep track of your goals as you work hard to establish the new you by weighing in and recording your weight conveniently on your mobile app. The Transform all-in-one solution allows you to receive both personal nutritional guidance and recommended video exercise routine for you to create the new you. Good luck!
All plans are created by my team of registered dietitians and contributing doctors. So imagine having access to your private nutrition counselor. So don't wait, go to my website and start your free 7-day trial today.